Earl Timothy Cohn, born December 14, 1957, is an American professional basketball coach who leads Barangay Ginebra San Miguel in the Philippine Basketball Association and the Philippine men's national team. He is the most accomplished coach in PBA history with 25 titles, including to Grand Slams, 5 Coach of the Year awards, and the most coaching wins with over 1,000. Cohn was born in the United States and grew up in Oregon. He moved to the Philippines when he was 9 years old after his father came to the country to work in the logging industry. Cohn attended a public elementary school in Baylor, Aurora, and later at International School Manila. Cohn returned to the United States when he was 18 to study at Menlo College in California and the George Washington University in Washington, D.C. after college. Cohn worked at a bank in San Francisco before returning to the Philippines at 24. Cohn worked as a Vintage Television's basketball analyst for PBA coverages from 1986 until 1989. In 1989, after working for Vintage Sports, Cohn took over as the coach of the Alaska Air Force with players such as the famed Bruise Brothers duo of Yoyar Villaman and Ricky Relosa and Abet Guidabin. A year later, Cohn led the Air Force to the finals of the 1990 PBA Third Conference. Alaska blew a 2-0 lead in the best-of-5 series to suffer one of the biggest collapses in PBA history, losing to Pure Foods in 5 games. Cohn was barred from coaching in the 1991 PBA All-Philippine No Conference due to a February 1990 case filed by the Basketball Coaches Association of the Philippines questioning the alien employment permit given to Cohn by the Department of Labor and Employment. The group's complaints stemmed from Article 40 of the Labor Code that only allows the hiring of a foreigner only after determining that no Philippine resident is competent, able, and willing to perform services at the time of application. The Supreme Court of the Philippines ruled against General Milling Corporation, Cohn's corporate employer, in April 1991. He was temporarily replaced that time by assistant coach Cott Reyes. Cohn was able to return to PBA coaching when he gained permanent resident status after his August 1991 marriage to Filipina girlfriend Cristina Cris Viaplana. Cohn and Alaska won their first championship by defeating Ginebra San Miguel in the 1991 Third Conference. That team was led by Jojo Lastimosa, Eugene Quilbin, and Bong Alvarez. After several struggles, Cohn's team would have a strong group of locals Lastimosa, Johnny Abarientos, Bong Hawkins, Jeffrey Carriazo, and Pac Juinio, while having import Sean Chambers for the Milkmen. From 1994 to 1998, the Milkmen won 8 titles and 14 conferences during the stretch. The highlight of that run, though, would come in the 1996 season when Alaska won the coveted PBA Grand Slam, becoming the 3rd franchise and the 4th team to win a Grand Slam in the history of the league. while Alaska continued to dominate by adding Kenneth Durhams in 1997. Durhams, playing a limited role with the Pop-Cola franchise, rose up to the occasion in 1998 under Cohn's tutelage, winning the PBA Most Valuable Player award at 24 years of age. That year, Cohn was hired as the coach of the Philippine Centennial team led by Durhams, Abarientos, Lastimosa, 3 players on Cohn's Alaska team, and PBA stars Alvin Patrimonio, Marluak Wino, Virgil Meneses, Alan Kadick, with defensive anchor Andy Siegel and rising star Olsen Risella. That team won a bronze medal in the 1998 Asian Games in Bangkok, Thailand. Alaska won the 2000 All-Filipino Cup, but afterwards, the team faced rebuilding and traded away several remnants of the old Alaska. Cohn, however, would lead the young team of John Arrigo and Ollie Peak to runner-up finish in the 2000 to Governors and All-Filipino Cup. A year later, the Aces added UAAP star Mike Cortez and Brandon Capley, leading Alaska to the 2003 PBA Invitational Cup Championship, Cohn's 11th title. On July 17, 2006, Manila Standard reported that after his 17 years of service, Alaska is set to terminate Cohn depending on a meeting between both parties after Cohn's contract with the Aces expired on July 15. However, a day later, the Aces official website reported that Cohn has agreed to a new deal to stay on as the team's head coach for the 2006-07 PBA season. Terms of the contract were not disclosed. On July 20, 2015, San Miguel Corporation President Raymond A. Ngui confirmed the appointment of Cohn as the new head coach of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. The reassignment of Cohn will seek to end the curse of Ginebra, which last won in the 2008 Fiesta Conference. On October 4, 2016, Cohn led Barangay Ginebra to its first finals appearance since 2013. Ginebra defeated sister team San Miguel Beerman in a do-or-die Game 5, 117-92. Ginebra went on to face the Meralco Bolts in the finals and winning in 6 games for 2-2, giving the team its first championship after 8 years of drought. Cohn later led Ginebra to 6 more championships. On November 18, 2022, he recorded his 1,000th win, the most wins for a PBA coach. Cohn has led the Philippine men's national basketball team as its head coach. He guided the Philippine Centennial team to a bronze medal at the 1998 Asian Games. Prior to that, the national team under Cohn's watch had a training camp in the U.S. and won the 1998 William Jones Cup. In September 2019, he was appointed head coach of the national team again for the 2019 Southeast Asian Games following the resignation of Yang Giao following the Philippines' poor performance in the 2019 FIBA Basketball World Cup. Cohn was appointed to coach the national team for the 2023 Asian Games after Reyes stepped down shortly following the 2023 FIBA Basketball World Cup. Despite taking over on short notice, Cohn was able to lead the team to a gold medal finish in the continental competition, their first since the 1962 Asian Games. Personal life. Cohn is married to Cristina Villaplana, a Filipina, sister of former La Sol Green archer Eda Villaplana. They got married in August 1991 after dating for 7 years. Cohn's daughter works in the United States as of 2019. He can also speak Tagalog, although he prefers to speak in English in press conferences. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.